Today I will be calling cable. My name is Waqar Meyer and I'm your Elliott Wave Analyst, reviewing what has been and predicting what is likely to be in cable price action. So, once again, showing you the big picture here of what's been going on. We're working, I think, the E leg of a multi-wave triangle. It's made a B wave flat, and now it's moving long to complete a 5-wave C wave. So when I zoom in on the recent price action here, you'll see that it's moved up in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3. I believe it makes a triangle here. Okay, the triangle would be a little something like this. And then it moves up in 5 waves to finish 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably another triangle right here, and 5. Okay, so that is your first wave. It's made a 5, 3, 5 in the short direction to make A. That's a zigzag. It made a 3, 3, 5 in the long direction. This is B. So that's your B throw over, and the throw over is about 138, which is exactly what you would expect textbook. See, 138 right there. Textbook for a B wave throw over. Now, if this is going to be an expanded flat, you would expect price action to move down, take out this A wave, and then continue long. Now, one way to confirm, if all that plays out, one way to confirm that third wave is indeed starting is to use the channeling technique. Let's hypothesize that price moves down like this. You know, it achieves the zone that I'm talking about. You would connect the origin of 1 to the terminus of 2. You would then move that line up to the terminus of 1. And when price started moving long, like so, it would break the upper channel. A break of the upper channel would be a pretty strong indicator that wave 3 was underway. Now, I think although the last trade advice that I gave out, the direction ended up being correct. The unfortunate thing is I advised tightening up the stop a little too fast. I should have probably waited a little bit longer. But I do believe this gives us another high probability trade setup for the long direction. Okay, I would recommend that you enter long as price falls below this A terminus at 1.5109. Enter long, and your stop is going to be at this first wave origin. That's 1.5007, and I would recommend taking profit at 1.5410. Now 1.5410 is the orthodox terminus of wave A here on the daily chart. So as price starts moving up and takes this out, I would say take profit, because I always shoot for minimums. I don't try and shoot for the moon, even though I do believe price action would probably achieve somewhere in this zone between 56.55 and 1.5860. But that is the trade advice, and you're looking at a almost 4 to 1. You would be risking 1 to make 4. So that's what I would advise. And before I sign off, I would just like to say thank you to Diane in Hawaii for watching the video cast about calling cable. I'm also going to be tweeting out this trade information, so if you want to get that in writing, just go ahead and follow me on Twitter at Calling Cable. That's today's call. I hope you'll join me again for tomorrow's call.